Alabaster City Schools is adding another layer of safety to their buildings.
It is a new crisis alert system, and Alabaster School District is the first school district in the state to use it. ABC 3340's Ashley Gooden is live in studio this evening to explain how it works.
Pam and Brenda, with the press of a button, faculty and staff will be able to ask for an immediate response to an emergency situation. Research after the Parkland school shooting showed teachers needed the ability to seek help faster. The CENTEGIX CrisisAlert system has visual and audio alerts that let everyone know something is happening. If you're in the classroom and there's a health emergency, the teacher can click the button 3 times. If there's a threat to the school, the teacher can keep clicking, and there will be alerts on computer screens, through intercoms, and on each faculty member's phone.
If it's something like a tornado or inclement weather that's coming through, the administration can put that school into shelter in place using an app or a desktop software as well. All the same things happen. The lights will go off, the screen takeover will happen, an automated intercom message will play, but it will be configured appropriately for whatever that particular emergency is.
Administrators at the central office can also do that for the entire school system with just a click of a button. A recent study showed 68% of school nurses have managed a life-threatening emergency. CENTEGIX will make their responses quicker as well.